Known as the home of Hollywood, LA offers plenty of things to see and do for visitors. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the 10 best things to do in Los Angeles, California. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So one of the most iconic places in LA is Hollywood Boulevard, where you can find the Chinese Theatre and the Hollywood Walk of Fame. There are plenty of souvenir stores along this road, as well as attractions such as Madame Tussauds, Hollywood Wax Museum and the Hollywood Museum. You could also head to Hollywood and Highland Mall. From here you can get a view of the Hollywood sign before heading to one of the many restaurants or retailers in the complex. West of downtown LA is Santa Monica, home to a famous beach scene, great restaurants, plenty of nightlife options, and the popular Santa Monica Pier. With over 200 days of sunshine a year, this is the ideal shoreline to visit, whether you are looking for a relaxing time on the beach or a thrilling ride. Next we have the Getty Center. Known for its impressive architecture, the Getty Center is home to some of the finest works of art in the world. You will find artwork from across history on this sprawling modern campus, tucked between the Santa Monica Mountains. You can take a guided tour or explore the museum independently. Both options are free for visitors. The Griffith Observatory sits on Mount Hollywood, offering magnificent views of LA and the surrounding area. Here you can find fascinating exhibits, and it includes a planetarium too. The observatory is open from noon to 7 p.m. and is free to enter, although you will have to pay to see the planetarium shows. Rodeo Drive is another iconic spot in LA, known for being the upscale shopping street with stores that turn down pretty women as she tried to shop. Do some celebrity spotting here and enjoy some window shopping along this iconic drive. Next we have Venice Beach and its surrounding area. So Venice Beach and Canals are modelled after the city of Venice in Italy. The neighbourhood is a unique place to visit, offering canal-side mansions, quirky boutiques and restaurants. Whilst in Venice, make sure you head to the boardwalk before spending some time on the beach. Now the next best thing to do in LA is a Hollywood home tour. Ever wanted to see where the rich and famous live? Well, you could do just that with a Hollywood homes tour, or at least see the gates outside these mega mansions. There are plenty of different minibus routes available from Hollywood Boulevard, but you may prefer the open-top bus rides during the warmer months, so that you can admire the sights and scenery during the journey. Being home to Hollywood, there are plenty of studio tours available for visitors to the city. The Warner Brothers Studio Tour is an iconic option, with stages including Friends, Big Bang Theory and Ellen. Alternatively, you could visit Paramount Pictures or Sony Pictures, depending on what your favourite TV shows are. Regardless of which tour you choose, make sure to let your tour guide know which sets you would love to visit. Next we have theme parks. Of course we were going to mention theme parks. There may not actually be theme parks in Los Angeles itself, but not far away are top theme parks such as Disneyland, Universal Studios, Six Flags Magic Mountain and Knott's Berry Farm. Lastly, we have Grand Central Market, a foodie haven in downtown LA. With high ceilings, an open layout, and plenty of different cuisines available, you need to take a trip to this market at least once during your visit. Watch this video to learn about the things to know before you visit LA. Then, to learn about how to save money in Los Angeles, watch this video. We hope you have an amazing time in LA. Stay safe and stay creative.